Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy messy bun in under 2 minutes. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail. Then add some texture powder all over the ponytail. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Divide the ponytail into 3 equal parts, and taking the side on the left, I'm just going to divide this in half and loosely wrap the sections around each other to the very end. Then I'm just going to grab a few hairs from the bottom with one hand and use my other hand to push it up the hair to create a little curly messy bundle. And I'm just going to lay this over the top of the elastic band and secure with a couple of pins. Then moving to the right hand side, we're just going to repeat the same steps, so split it in half and loosely wrap them around each other. Grab a few little hairs at the bottom with one hand and with the other hand push it back up the hair to create your bundle of curls. Hold it to the head where you like it and secure with a couple of pins. Then we're just going to repeat the steps on the last little section. Make sure when you're pinning these you're creating a round bun shape. So push it up the section of hair, and I'm just going to pin these at the bottom with a few more pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.